Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Fix the Play Store Download Pending Problem. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check current downloads and updates. 1. Launch the Google Play Store on your device. 2. Tap on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the screen. 3. Select Manage Apps and Device from the drop-down menu. 4. Go to the Manage tab. Here, you'll see a list of apps currently updating or downloading. 5. If there are multiple apps updating simultaneously, this could be causing the issue. Cancel any unnecessary downloads by tapping the radio button next to their names. Step 2. Clear Play Store cache and data. 1. Go to your device's settings. 2. Scroll down and tap on Apps option. 3. Tap on Manage Apps. The name may vary slightly depending on your device. 4. Scroll down to find Google Play Store and tap on it. 5. Inside the Play Store app info, tap on the storage option. 6. You'll see options to clear both cache and data. Tap on each option to clear them. 7. After clearing the cache and data, restart your device to ensure the changes take effect. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.